Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is up, guys? My name is Hassan and welcome back, everyone. It's been a minute since I made an M1 Finance video. I'm going to give you guys a full update on my portfolio and how I have been doing and the monthly dividends I have been receiving. So currently my portfolio is at $13,698, almost $14,000. And this is a real portfolio where you guys can track on a monthly basis. So I'm going to show you guys for one day. One good thing about M1 Finance is that it's very transparent, it's very clear, and it's very simple to read and understand. We can see for 1 week, I'm down around 1.1%. I'm down $152. And in the last 1 week, I received $6.44 in dividend payment. If we click on view, it tells us our breakdown of it. $6.14 came from consumer cyclicals, 30 cents came from technology. And then if we look at it for 1 month, I'm also down around $512. And that's after getting $28. So in the last 1 month, I got almost $29 in dividend payment. So one thing about my portfolio is that I show you guys, I'm very transparent. I show you guys when I'm in the green, and I also show you guys when I'm in the red. If we look at it for 1 quarter or the last 3 months, I'm down 7%, which is equivalent to $1,125. In the last 3 months, I received almost $94 in cash dividend payment, which brings down my net loss to $1,000.31 the last 3 months. And then if we look at it for the 1 year, alhamdulillah, for the last 1 year, thank God, I am up around 8.3%, or I'm up $1,000. Out of the $1,000, 377 is in dividend payments. Again, if we click on the view here, it gives us a breakdown. So total dividend received for the last 1 year is $377. And this is money that I did not have to work for. It's money that I got paid passively. Passively meaning that it is money that I have got without having to work. Passive income is the opposite of active income. Active income is when I have to work and get paid. Passive income is when I don't work, I still get paid. And that's the difference between the rich and the poor. The rich get paid even when they're not working. So let's show you guys a quick breakdown. We can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different sectors has paid me in the last 1 year. Majority of the money comes from energy. I made $120, and then consumer cyclical paid me $72, technology $61, and then $49, industrial $46, and then basic materials almost $25. And one of my goal is to get hundreds and thousands of dollars in dividend income every monthly or yearly. For me, $377 in a month or in a year is a lot of money. Remember, this is money I did not have to work for. So that's very nice income or side income that has been coming in. So again, this is my portfolio. As always, before I begin, I have to give you guys a quick disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, nor do I know you personally or your financial situations. I'm not responsible for any of your gains or losses in the stock market, nor am I here to certify if any company is halal or haram to invest in. My suggestions are only suggestions. That does not mean you go out and buy these stocks. It is just a place for you to start your own due diligence. As a Muslim investor, we have to keep in mind what's halal and what's not. Pretty much halal and haram means that permissible and impermissible. Take you guys to my M1 Finance, and to show you guys for the all-time chart, I'm up around 51%, which is equivalent to $3,622, which again, this is a lot of money for me. So we're going to scroll down. I'm going to show you guys my slices. So we have technology, consumer cyclicals, industrial, energy, healthcare, basic materials. So I'm going to show you some of my holdings from my technology. And one good thing about following my channel is I bring unique companies hardly anyone else is talking about. So again, in the technology sector, I made 21%, a total gain of $778. Out of the $778, $61 was in dividend payment. So if we scroll down, we can see some of my holdings. So my largest holding, Nvidia, currently I have $1,746 worth of it. I'm up around. So if you scroll down, I have around, click on Nvidia, I have about 7.6 shares, and with the average price of $58 per share, and that's after the split. Nvidia, Broadcom, I'm up 38%. Then we got Cisco, and then we got Microsoft, we got Texas Instruments, Skyworks Solution, Garmin, and then we have National Instruments. So one very common thing about my holding is that almost all these companies have little to no debt. And that's the main reason I'm invested in these technology companies. They also pay me a dividend. And they are also growth oriented with dividend paying companies. So guys, if you guys made it this far, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and there's also going to be a link, a referral link, if you want to open up a M1 Finance, which is very higher end interface investing app. The link is below. If you sign up, I get a bonus and you get something. It's a win-win situation. So I'm going to take you guys back. So we've seen my technology portfolio. If you scroll down, we're going to take a look at my consumer cyclical companies I'm holding on to and some of the companies you might want to take a look at or consider investing up after doing your own due diligence. These are just what I'm currently invested in. PKG Packaging Corp of America, and then we have Expedia Group, and then I have Tapestry, and then I have Genuine Parts, Contour Brand, Gentex, VF Corporation, and Marine Products, and then we have Escalade. You can see that for the most part, for consumer cyclical, I'm down 5% for the year. And if we look at it for the all time, I'm up around 92%. And these are the holdings. So we're going to take you guys back and show you guys some of my other companies that I'm invested in. So if we scroll down, I will show you guys one more, industrials. So currently industrials for all time, we're up around 35%, which is equivalent to $491. Some of the companies that I have, such as 3M, Emerson, Honeywell, Waste Management, and A.O. Smith. So now we're going to answer a question. A common question that we get all the time is, when do I sell a stock? So we know why we should buy a company, but when do we sell a stock? So I usually sell a company when they cut the dividend. So if they cut the dividend, that's a very big red flag. It's a red flag that the company can no longer continue to pay that dividend. They no longer have a sufficient amount of cash flow. Whenever a company cuts their dividend, that is a big red flag, and that's a sign that I should sell or move on to a better company. Another reason I sell a company is when the fundamentals of the company change. If they're shrinking or they're downsizing. So again, if they cut the dividend, if the fundamentals are changing, there's a new competition in play. Another one is if they stop increasing their dividends. A good company always increases their dividends, such as Waste Management. So we're going to click on Waste Management, go to Seeking Alpha, hit WM. We're going to click on Dividends, Dividend History, and we can see it right here. Like, even though they're not growing much, but we can see that slowly. Click on it for 10 years. We can see that here they're at 36 cents, 2012, 13.37 cents, 14.38 cents, 39 cents, and then 41 cents. Then we got 43, and then 47, 51, and then we got 55, and then we got 58, and then we got 65. So a solid company is a company that is constantly increasing dividends year after year. Take you guys back to my portfolio again. My portfolio is at almost $14,000. Guys, if you guys made it this far, make sure you guys hit the like button. And you can see that my portfolio is increasing. I hardly add any money to this portfolio because I just wanted to organically grow without funding it. Normally, I usually like to fund my portfolio heavily, but this is a portfolio where I don't fund it. Because if you look at it from the funding history, you can see that, yes, in the beginning, 2018, we funded it $1,100, and then 2019, $4,500, and 2020, we funded it to $3,800, and 2021, we only added $50. And now we're in 2022. I didn't add a large amount of money. Majority of it is becoming my gain because I'm already up 51%. I'm currently at almost at $14,000. So another thing that is continuously increasing my M1 Finance dividend income. I'm going to update this, but what I want you guys to understand is that you guys can clearly see that my monthly income is increasing month after month. The trend is up. The trend is increasing. You can see $14, $17, $18, $26. We got 25, 36, and then we got around like another 35, 36, $37. So slowly it is increasing. In my next video, I should update this so you can see a little bit more up-to-date dividend income. As always, guys, if you guys made it this far, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. As always, thank you. Bye, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.